Good morning to everyone. Today discuss about in the polymer technology. In the unit number 1 properties of polymer. Previously lecture में આપણે basics introduction જોઈ ગયા હતા અને some classifications જોયું હતું. તો ડિસ્કસ કરીશું આજે ટેકનિકલ ઓફ પોલિમરાઇઝેશન, સમ ટેકનિક્સ પોલિમરાઇઝેશન ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરીશું. એમાં ટાઈપ્સ આવે છે ટેકનિક ઓફ પોલિમરાઇઝેશનમાં બલ્ક પોલિમરાઇઝેશન, સોલ્યુશન પોલિમરાઇઝેશન. એમાં આપણે ફર્સ્ટ પર જોઈશું પોલિમરાઇઝેશન ટેકનિક અને બલ્ક પોલિમરાઇઝેશન. ઓકે, so we have studied so far the chemical aspect of polymerization reactions, and the terminology included the terms of this polymerization system. Okay, this is some system, and the catalyst system and solvent system, they refer to the physical aspect of the polymerization reactions, which decide whether the monomer is polymerized in this condense of a gaseous state, whether it is polymerized as such as or along with other inert component. Now the system is technology included the term such as polymerization and the catalyst system and the solvent system also. This refers to the physical aspect of the polymerization reaction, which decide whether the monomer is polymerized in its condense of the gaseous state, whether it is polymerized as such as along with other inert components na basis par છે. Okay, and now the whether the monomer is polymerized in its condense of the gaseous state, whether it is polymerized as such as along with the other intact component such as the solvent and the non-solvent basis, and the reaction is decide whether the monomer and a polymerized na basis par hase condense of gaseous state, whether it is polymerized as such or along with other inert part, some the component such as solvent and a non-solvent. The factors such as the nature of the monomer, the type of polymerization mechanism, choose the required physical form of the polymer, and the viability of the processes and the industrial production are some of those dictating, and the physical conditions under which polymerization processes is to be decided is carried out, and so this is a simple technique. These varying physical conditions based on the different polymerization technique as enumerated in the following section. તો આપણે જોવાના છે પ્રોપર્ટીઝ ઓફ પોલિમરમાં ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ્ડ ટેકનિક polymerization, explain impact of properties on a polymer, and describe the silent properties of plastics, describe the silent properties of rubber, describe the silent properties of fiber. Okay, simply the technique of the polymerization: bulk polymerization, solution polymerization, suspension polymerization, emulsion polymerization, molecular weight, crystallinity, and a gaseous transition temperature, properties of plastics, electricity of resistance, chemical resistance, thermal stability, biodegradability. ઓકે, ડિટેલ્સમાં જોઈશું. તો ફર્સ્ટ આવે છે આપણે બલ્ક પોલિમરાઇઝેશન્સ. એના સિવાયના મોર પોઈન્ટ્સ છે પ્રોપર્ટીઝ ઓફ ફાઇબર, રેસિડન્સી, એલોંગેશન સ્ટ્રેન્થ. પછી પ્લાસ્ટિકમાં જોઈશું આપણે એપ્લિકેશન અને મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ પ્રોસેસમાં પોલિઇથિલિન by high pressure ICI process, LDP low density polyethylene, and the polymethylene by the Ziegler law, the process of the HDPE, high density polyethylene, the propylene and the polystyrene of the polytetrafluoroethylene, Teflon, and the urea also no formaldehyde. Okay, it's a simple syllabus છે એનો, આના બેઝ પર આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરવાનું છે. Now the monomer is taken around this chapter. The monomer is the taken is the liquid state. Liquid state, and the initiator is dissolved in the monomer, and the chain transfer agent, whether used to control the molecular weight, is also dissolved in the monomer. Result in the monomer. In itself, the whole system is therefore in a homogeneous phases. The reactions of mass is heated or exposed to a radiation source for initiating the polymerization and is kept under agitations for proper mass and heat transfer. As the polymerization process and the viscosity of the medium increases and mixing becomes progressively difficulties and leading to the product with very broad molecular weight distribution. And another disadvantages of the bulk polymerization system is that as the medium gets viscous, the diffusibility of the growing polymer, some chain become restricted, the probability of chain collisions become less, and the termination becomes the difficult active radical sites accumulated, and the rate of polymerization increases basis chain. Okay, this is the all theoretical point in the bulk polymerization. Okay, this is the whole phenomena is called as the autoclaration, and sometimes the uncontrolled exothermic reactions can be lead to the an explosion. Okay, the bulk polymerization, however, is quite simple, and the product obtained has a high purity science. Expect the initiator and the chain transfer agent, no other additives, and could be contaminate. The product is used polymer obtained can also be used as a such, since no isolation from other component is involved in this basis. Okay. ઓકે, સિમ્પલી આપણે પોલિમરાઇઝેશન ટેકનિકમાં પહેલાં જોયું સૌપ્રથમ કે શું છે કે આ જે કેમિકલ એસ્પેક્ટ પોલિમરાઇઝેશનની પ્રોસેસ રિએક્શન્સ છે એમાં ટર્મિનોલોજી ઇન્ક્લુડેડ એન્ડ ધ ટર્મ્સ સચ એઝ અ પોલિમરાઇઝેશન સિસ્ટમ આપેલી છે. હવે એમાં આપણે યુઝ કરીશું કેટાલિસ્ટનો some system આવશે. This refers to the physical aspect of the polymerization reactions and decide whether the monomer is polymerized in its condensed or a gaseous state, the whether it is polymerized as such or along with other inert component such as solvent and a non-solvent. The factors should such as the nature of the monomer and the type of the polymerization mechanism, choose required physical form of the polymer also, and the viability of these processes. Industrial productions are some of those detecting the physical condition under which a polymerization is to be carried out. These varying physical conditions lead to the different polymerization technique as enumerated in the following section. ઓકે, સમ ફોલોવિંગ સેક્શન બલ્ક પોલિમરાઇઝેશન માટે જોઈએ આપણે. ઓકે, બલ્ક પોલિમરાઇઝેશન માટે જોઈશું, અને આપણું પ્લાસ્ટિક્સ અને રબરનું ચેપ્ટર છે તેમાં જોઈશું પ્રોપર્ટીઝ, એપ્લિકેશન્સ, any manufacturing process, ethylene propylene, terpolymer, butyl rubber polyethylene, silicone rubber, Now the simple discussion part in this some technique and polymer વિશે ડિસ્કસ કરવાનું છે આપણે. The monomer is taken is the liquid state and the initiator is dissolved in the monomer. The chain transfer agent whenever used to the control and the molecular weight is also dissolved in the monomer itself of the whole system, and therefore in a homogeneous phases the reaction mass is heated or exposed to a radiation. Some sources for initiating the polymerization system and is kept under agitations. Okay. Now simple polymerization process માં જોઈશું આપણે કે હોલ સિસ્ટમ આપણને આપેલી છે, બલ્ક પોલિમર જથ્થો એક જાતનો છે. The reaction mass is heated or exposed or to radiation sources માટે initiating the polymerization and is kept under the agitations for proper mass અને heat transfer માટે જોઈએ. As per polymerization અને is kept under agitations for proper mass and heat transfer. As the polymerization process, the viscosity of the medium increases and mixing becomes progressively difficulties. The leading of the process is very broad of the molecular weight is માટે. Now the simple point for this section and the basis માટે જોઈશું કે reactions કઈ ટાઈપનો હશે. Mass is heated or exposed in this polymerizations. Exposed. Okay, simply as the polymerization process, the viscosity of the main medium process increasing માટે જોઈએ. Okay, which one? Medium increases and also molecular weight growing the polymer chain becomes restricted and the some probability of the chain collisions termination becomes difficulties, this is accumulated the rate of polymerization. This is a whole phenomena એને શું કહીશું આપણે? is autoclaration. And sometimes the uncontrolled exothermic reaction can lead to be an explosion. Bulk polymerization, however, it's quite simple and the product obtained has a high purity since expect the initiator and a chain transfer agent માટે છે. Bulk polymerization, however, is quite simple and the product obtained has a high purity since expect the initiator and the chain transfer agent. No other additives, heat cloud, contaminate. The product is used. The polymer obtained can also be used such since isolation and from other component is involved. ઓકે, ધીસ ઇઝ ધ પોલિમરાઇઝેશન. એમાં નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું આપણે સોલ્યુશન પોલિમરાઇઝેશન. ઓકે, તો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.